T-Rise,
Yeah.
Rack Racer,
Yeah,
money in the bag,
yeah.
or body in the bag.
Two minds alike.
Got my foot on niggas' neck, die for my respect, all my life been grinding, I'm on turn up for a check, rolling with the set, diamond VVS, all my.
Hey, I don't know really what to say about it, but yeah, but he got that beat off in there though. You can just shake him out here. Look at that. I see. I don't know. I mean, you gotta start somewhere, but I don't know who you let paint your car. I mean, you know. No, serious game. What's going on, man? Before, look, messed my finger up. I'll tell you about that later. I know y'all really don't give a damn, but whatever. Man, a few things I'm gonna talk about before I talk about this truck meet. I don't even know if I'm even gonna go. This video probably won't even be uploaded. But anyway, if it do, you know, it was something out there. If it ain't nothing out there, no. But anyway, few things I want to talk about. First one is my old job. Yeah, they just played the shit out of me. So it was, I want to say 2 weeks ago. No, yeah, it was 2 weeks ago. I went to work that Monday. Well, we found out that we had to take my wife to the hospital that Tuesday. Y'all keep up with this. All right. So I didn't go to work that Tuesday, and the rest of the week I used my PTO. So that means that week on this Friday I should have a check. I guess they drove from my other job all the way to my old job to get down there. Then people say, "Oh well, since you not working here no more, you don't get a check at all." Yeah, I just put y'all on blast. I know somebody they're going to watch this video, and I don't care. That was messed up, but I ain't even worried about it though. It's alright. That was messed up. Now y'all can leave a comment what y'all think about it or whatever. I could clown, but it would have made no difference because they still would have. Forget it. I ain't even tripping about it. Whatever. All right, the next thing. So this guy wanted me to ask y'all to help him out. Hey y'all, hey, don't be making, but I don't even know what to say. Damn. Okay, so he went out to the club a while back. It wasn't a club, it was a bar, something. I can't remember what it was. And he met this girl. So he said that they was in that little trial where she wasn't getting it up. So, you know, he had to do what he had to do, and he was on the site. I put it that way. I'm trying to say this without, because I know kids watch my videos. He was on this site. I mean, he liked her. They've been talking for a few weeks, so he didn't want to go mess with nobody else or nothing like that. So, and well, this site, which is not for cheering, he seen her on this site with this man. and she failed to mention that was her job at one point in time. Now he want to know, should he stay with her or leave it alone? I didn't know what to say. I just asked, what would you do? I mean, for all the fellas out there, you know, help me help him. Cause yeah, that's a little deep. But I mean, it's like, what if it was a girl that was, you know, that didn't do that and she just had a couple of miles on. I mean, it's almost the same. Well, no. No, that ain't the same. I mean, buddy. Everybody didn't seen you sir. Got dogged, sir. I don't know. I'll just be fair with you. I don't know. I mean, you go out with her somewhere, somebody that like that site, probably be like, oh, you such and such. But I put it this way. I hope you can fight. Got a pistol, something, because you gonna be mad forever if you keep that up. Y'all comment down below. I want to hear this. But anyway, so this truck meet was the last minute thing. I'm guessing. I don't know nothing. I'm about to stop listening to my son because he be saying stuff and boy, it be all wrong. Be wrong big as hell. I wonder where he get that from. I almost ran off the road messing with y'all. But man, y'all know me. I can talk, but hey, somebody needs to comment about old boy. I got to tell him what y'all said, because I don't know what the damn tell him. I just don't. But yeah. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Speaking of subscribers, I'm at 179. 200. Gonna get them subs. But you know what? The ones of y'all that's been subscribing, y'all ain't following no directions at all. You got to go to my Instagram, DM me, #giveaway. That way I can see all the peoples from when I post that video up until whenever I get to 200. That way I can, you know, pick through the few of y'all that came to subscribe. But I messed that up. You know me, I ain't. Your boy is not editing that shit out. Man, I done talk almost 10 minutes. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Got a little action going on. I'm sitting over here right now because I had to do something for it. Trying to get this stabilizer to act right, but I'm gonna walk over there in a minute. They got a little trucks in here, not very much. I'm gonna get a close up.